This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a supported device, active passcode, and a bank that supports Apple Pay. Open Wallet and tap the plus to add a card now. When you scan or type details, the bank verifies ownership. This can take seconds to a few minutes, so stay on the verification screen. Once done, make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled for quick authentication. You'll see the card appear in Wallet. Set a default card if you want faster payments at checkout. At a contactless terminal, you'll be prompted to authenticate. Double-click the side button on iPhone or use Face ID/Touch ID, and then hold the top of the device near the reader. Your device communicates securely with the terminal using tokenized card data, so merchants never get your real number. If paying with Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch face within a few centimeters of the reader. Once you see Done and a check mark, the transact for apps or websites, choose Apple Pay at checkout, confirm shipping and billing details, then authenticate to complete the purchase. This saves time and keeps card data private. Make sure your shipping address and contact are correct because Apple Pay pushes that info into the transaction to avoid delays. If something fails, try restarting your device and toggling wallet or network settings. Make sure your bank hasn't placed a temporary block. If problems persist, contact your bank. They can confirm verification or card eligibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.